Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.
Balik ta mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live sa mga nagtinguha kuno nga murag dunay mga hashtag body goals karong tuig 2024 magpakisayon taon sa atong angayang buhaton mga kapuso. Makauban nato sa mga fitness coach din sa Subo, Coach Jasper John Udtuan. Mayong buntag, Coach. Welcome sa GMA Regional TV Live.
Mayong buntag.
Thank you for joining us, Coach Jasper, this morning. Atong hisgutan, tinuod, after the holidays, murag daghan-daghan yung nakaon siguro, murag left and right ang kaon. So sa may angayang buhaton, sa mga tao, Coach, karong panahon na, labi na nga, doon na po sila yung mga New Year's resolutions po nga gusto kabuoton.
So, karon, let's not talk about just the months. December kay ang magunahan na sila na
Tinuod.
December kay tigkaon. What month it is, January, February, December, you should have discipline always. So after that, namadyoy uban daghan na kaon, New Year's resolution. Have discipline, mag-start nag-diet and apply sa gym or start with the home workout.
Diet and exercise mo ginay.
Yes.
Dapat in tandem na, Coach. Dili pwede nga mag-exercise ra kanya, di po ka mag-control sa imong kaunon.
Yes.
Sabay, unsa may kanang atong example kaganiha, Coach, himo ta og mga uban nga mga lain-lain nga mga workouts kay ang worry man gud sa uban, Coach, kay murag moingon wa sila equipment or siguro ang uban dili maka-afford mo adto sa gym or walay oras para mo adto sa gym.
So, since some people can't afford na mo adto sa gym, there's home workout, of course. Just body weight workout.
Body weight.
Yes, you can do at home.
Mabuhat ra na siya even without equipments.
Yes.
All right. So of all ages ni Coach, may tag
Yes.
mga hamtong anak gyud. Pwede.
Yes, of course. Even just walking up the stairs is also part of the exercise.
How do you start kaning, of course importante man, Coach, nga murag ma-motivate ka para musugod ka ani unsa may dapat timan-an nimo para masugdan nimo ning bag-o nga regimen or bag-o nimo nga routine?
Motivate yourself by thinking about your health as wealth. Because we can continue working, we can continue living, and we can't continue to be happy if we're sickly, we're bedridden. Diba?
Unsa may naka-inspire nimo, Coach, your story nganong ingon ani nga mohatag mo kag premium sa health ug fitness ug nutrition?
Well, actually, I graduated philosophy sa San Carlos Seminary College. Layo kay kong kurso sa akong field of work right now. Now, what inspired me is the act of service because I was a seminarian before. We always have service at church. Now, I was finding a job na I can continue my service to help people. So, mao na siyang fitness. So, I'm happy to helping out people with their fitness goals.
Wow, as a fitness instructor, Coach. So, like unsa may daily routine mo sa kaadlaw, like pila ba ka clients imong gi-handle?
So usually I can handle 4 to 6 clients depende sa akong condition because di ta kabata.
Di higayon na, Coach. Nanay kabutang na dire sample exercises ko na, Coach. Kanila mga home workout nga na wata na ginahanglan og mga ekipo, mga kapuso. Buhatag na to og kuan si Coach ato sibilin atong script. Sige, Coach, unsa atong buhaton ato kunong suwayan pod paningkamutan atong mabuhat ba nato?
Sige, paningkamutan nato. So the first workout, you can do this at home without any equipment. This is called inchworm.
Inchworm.
So, yeah, inchworm. So let's start with regression. Regression is the easy part of the exercise. So you hip your hinge back, then you need to crawl forward.
Okay.
And you're in a high plank position.
Plank. Alright.
And go back up.
Tindog na saka.
Yes, that's the easy part. So you can do 8 to 12 reps.
Paspason mo, Coach.
3 to 4 sets of it. Okay? So, pwede nimo paspason, but it's better if you take time in doing the workout.
Let's do it mga 3 times na kuno, Coach, sa inchworm.
Sige.
Listingan na to.
3 times. Let's go. Go back up. Hip your hinge.
Mahagbong na akong mic. Okay.
And last.
Kaya ako, ayun akong mic, Coach. Okay. Wow.
Now,
Inchworm. Okay.
Inchworm. Now,
second ko na, Coach.
if you wanna put some challenge on the inchworm, you can add shoulder taps on it.
Shoulder tap.
So
Inchworm
inchworm.
gihapon.
Yes.
All right.
Inchworm.
What do we do?
Then do shoulder taps.
All right.
And go back up.
Duha. Ilan mo bilangkad, coach? Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Okay. Sige, one more, coach.
One more.
Inchworm with that.
Shoulder tap. Let's go. And go back up. Next workout
Okay.
is a burpee.
Burpee.
Yes. So there's
Mahilan ako sa burpee. Sige.
there's an easy way for it. So you just again hip your hinge.
Alright.
Hands flat on the floor. Drop your chest and hips to the ground. Drop it.
Drop talaga?
Oh, drop. Then go back up. Push yourself up.
Ito ka bangon, coach. Dapat yung ambak, di ba, sa uban?
Yes, but that's the hard part na. But if you want it to be easy, just drop it, okay?
So, drop siya.
Okay.
Hindi lang yung i-drop siya, ay.
How many reps? 3 lang?
Hindi lang, coach. So, wala ganun siguro ako, coach.
Sige. Let's go.
Maraming, coach, ha?
No problem.
Sige, coach. Ito. Muhaan pili mo. Go take your lead, coach. Go.
Okay, ready? Drop. And up. That's 1 rep.
Bangun.
Let's go. Second rep and last rep. That's a burpee.
That's a burpee. So, at least how many reps kung burpees, coach?
It depends. You can either do 8 to 12.
8 to 12.
Yeah.
8 to 12. Dayon, coach. Pero depende sa fitness level. Kung pila kaya.
Yes. That's why it's 8 to 12 reps.
Okay.
Or 3 to 4 sets, sad.
Di ba lisod magkatuan, coach? Manit burpees. Ito may kinahanglan para mabuhat ni kay murag strenuous magkaayo ang burpees.
Okay, so let's add a workout that would be easy. So this is the elbow plank.
Elbow plank. Okay.
So for the elbow plank, you can do 1 minute or less than that, okay? So what you can do is bend both of your elbows
all right.
flat on the ground, tuck in your pelvis,
Ana.
and extend your shoulder blades.
Shoulder blades. Okay.
And that's how you do a elbow plank. Now
How
you can
long makani nga position, coach?
you can hold this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. It depends on your goal.
Hangtod kaya nimo.
Yes, but we're not gonna hold this as long.
Ikaw, how long can you hold yourself og inyong ani nga position, coach?
Just 1 minute.
Just 1 minute. Okay.
And that's exercises we can do.
Bisan sa balay, coach, no? Bisan of course mo tag limited space, mabuhat ra gid na. Nganong kinahanglan man, coach, nga kana gyud kanang diet og exercise. Unsa di metabo, coach, kung kag ang imo lang kaon ang imo i-control, di po ka mag-exercise. For example, og exercise ra pod, wa po ka control sa kaon.
Okay, kita mga Pilipino manggod, we always have carbs sa atong meals. White rice, di ba?
That's
Kita
right.
mga Pinoy. So, carbohydrates convert into glycogen. And glycogen converts into fat whenever you don't use it because glycogen is a stored energy nato. So if you don't have any activities, it will just be stored into fat. So if you wanna eat more, then you have to be active, sad.
Just to close this, coach, this conversation, message lang nimo unsa gusto yung paambit sa atong mga brief message, coach, sa atong mga viewers.
For those who are beginners, don't be intimidated sa gym. Don't close your knowledge about fitness.
Alright.
Daghan jud diha naay mo tudlo, naay coaches uban, naay dili, and just continue your strive for fitness.
Wow. Thank you so much for joining us this morning, Coach Jasper Udtuan, mga kapuso. Thank you, Coach. Balik pa mi mga kapuso, tutok lang.
Kini ang GMA Regional TV Live.